Hello, today we will guide you through how to backtest in Sierra Chart. First, open the Sierra Chart desktop application and load the chart you want to evaluate. Make sure historical data is available and the chart is fully loaded before proceeding. It's a good idea to save your workspace so you can return to the same layout after testing. If you use custom studies or an automated strategy, apply them now because the backtest references whatever is on this chart. Next, look at the top of the screen for the trade menu. You'll find it on the main menu bar alongside items like File, Chart, and Analysis. If the menu bar isn't visible, maximize the application window or switch to the main chart window so the standard menus appear. Once you see Trade, you're in the right place. Click Trade to open the dropdown. From this list, select Auto Trade System Replay Backtest. This opens Sierra Chart's dedicated tool for running a historical replay with your automated study. Choosing this option tells the platform you want a controlled simulation rather than placing live orders. If your chart includes an automated strategy, it will execute during the replay. If not, the replay will still run, allowing you to observe how your signals and studies would have behaved over time. Now follow the on-screen procedure. In the dialog that appears, you'll typically choose the chart or symbol to replay, set a date or time range for the test, and decide on the replay speed. Start with a modest range so you can confirm everything is working, then expand once you're confident. If options are available to clear prior simulated trades or statistics, use them so results reflect only this session. Confirm that system execution is enabled in the dialog, and review whether the engine runs on every tick or on bar close, since that affects entries and exits. When your parameters look right, begin the backtest and let it run. You can watch the chart update as the replay progresses. If it feels sluggish, slow the speed or shorten the range. When the run completes, review the trade list and summary the tool provides, focusing on profit and loss, drawdown, and fill details. If something looks off, adjust the settings and run it again until the behavior aligns with your expectations. That's the full flow. Open Sierra Chart, find Trade at the top, click it. Select Auto Trade System Replay Backtest and follow the on-screen prompts to run your test. Thanks for watching, and happy backtesting.